Hi guys, I will give my 2 cents about the Jollibee paper bag story. So, this Jollibee paper bag story was posted by Mommy Maribel. Ito po yung story niya or nangyari sa kanya during sa panganganak niya. So, the summary is, nag-normal delivery siya sa isang public hospital. Sabi niya sa story niya, nurses are nice, but the doctors are not. And she had a horror experience giving birth. But bakit Jollibee paper bag ang title nung post niya? Kasi si husband, he gave no comfort after she gave birth. So, sabi ni Mommy Maribel, she went out daw sa husband niya after she gave birth. And then, ang respond ng husband niya is, okay lang yan, tapos na naman na. And then, the next day, her husband bought a Jollibee. Nung nakita niya yung Jollibee ni Mommy Maribel, it makes her feel happy. And then yung husband niya, nakita siguro yung reaction niya. And then sabi nung husband niya sa kanya, sorry love, akin lang to. Gutom na kasi talaga ako eh. Alam mo naman na puyat din ako, naghihintay sa'yo. May libre naman na food sa hospital, di ba? Yun na lang ang sa'yo. So, that's the story of Mommy Maribel's Jollibee paper bag. So, I will give you my 2 cents, guys. I had an experience with public hospital twice. I gave birth via cesarean section sa public hospital, pero magkaibang public hospital po yun. On my first public hospital, first CS ko to, almost tama yung sinabi ni Mommy Maribel na other staff are nice, other staff are not nice. Totoo po yun. And then, it is a terrible experience for me. It is a horror story for me na nakadagdag or nakakontribute siya sa pagiging bipolar ko ngayon because I had a terrible experience on my first cesarean section. Not just about the hospital, it's about the staff as well. So, let's go back sa story ni Mommy Maribel because this is not for me. This is about my 2 cents on the story. So, hindi ko pwedeng i-judge kung anong type ng person si Mommy Maribel at saka yung husband niya as a partner. Kasi hindi ko naman alam, nabasa ko lang to. Hindi natin sila pwedeng i-judge based on this story alone. Kasi po, para sa akin, may mga lalaki na normal na thoughtful, normal na empathic, yan, mga normal na ganyang lalaki na kahit hindi mo sila sabihan, maalaga sila sa asawa nila or sa partner nila. Pero may tinatawag din akong lalaki na taga-ibang planeta. Yun yung term ko sa kanila, guys. Okay, guys, to make things clear, bago pa ako mapunta sa 2 cents ko, to make things clear, hindi ko po ipinagtatanggol yung lalaki. Okay? I'm just giving my 2 cents about the types of persons or types na mga men na meron tayo dito sa mundo. Okay, going back, may mga lalaki talaga na taga-ibang planeta. Sila yung mga hindi nila nare-realize yung mga actions nila. But, etong mga taong, or etong mga men na to na taga-ibang planeta, pag pinalawanagan mo naman sila, kinuwentuhan mo sila, ipaniliwanag mo kung anong gusto mo, sinabi mo directly sa kanila anong gusto mo, kung bakit mo gusto yun, ano yung nararamdaman mo, dun pa lang nila ma-realize yung situation. Yun po yung 2 cents ko. So, communication is the key to happy relationship. Pero, kung naipaliwanag mo na lahat, nasabi mo na lahat ng gusto mo, ano yung nasa isip mo, at hindi pa rin naiintindihan ng partner mo or ng asawa mo, that's a different story. Okay? So, yun ang 2 cents ko guys about this Jollibee paper bag story and thanks for watching!